Hi, Leila from Murlo. Thank you for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be dyeing some roving. We're going to use the painted roving method, and we'll use some steam to set the dye. Let's head over to the kitchen and I'll show you the steps I take. Right now I've got laid out 4 pieces of roving that have been soaking, and we've got our pre-mixed dyes. And we've got plastic wrap that we can place the roving onto, and then we'll place the dye on. So we're set up here. The roving has been soaking and I've squeezed it out a bit, and I've pre-mixed my dyes, putting some vinegar into the dye so that it will fix to the fiber. So I'm just going to pour on dye. Okay. And then just gonna squish it. A lot of times when I dye this way, because it gets compressed or compacted, I'll put it through the drum carder, which also helps to even out the color. You know, just in case you've got patches that were left kind of bare from the dye. So then we're going to fold in the ends here. And then starting at one end, make a bit of a jelly roll. Squeeze. And then try to seal things up. And then starting there, rolling it up like it's a cinnamon bun. Once I've got everything prepped and ready to go in, then I can put the roaster on to get some steam action coming, and they'll steam for about 45 minutes, and then we should be able to rinse them out. These have been steaming for about 30 minutes, so we'll leave them in here another 15 minutes, and then we're gonna let them cool down and give them a rinse. Here's the packets that have been cooling, and here's one that's ready to come out. So we're just gonna remove it from the plastic and then let it sit there a little bit. And then what I'll do is begin to rinse it, starting off with water about the same temperature, and then slowly increase to hot to ensure that we've got color fast dye in the fiber. And there we have it. It's just that simple. We're able to do multiple colors, several pieces, all at the same time, so it saves a ton of time. This is Leila from Murlo. Thank you for watching.